After working with over 200 real estate professionals, brokers, teams, and high-performing agents, I've noticed that most local service business owners are making the same marketing mistakes over and over, and they're really easy to fix. So whether you're a realtor, team, brokerage, or loan officer looking to scale, attract dream clients, and dominate your market, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. Mistake number one is solely relying on word of mouth. Referrals are great, but they're unpredictable. If your entire business depends on hoping someone sends you a lead, you're one slow month away from panic mode. So one simple solution is to run hyper-targeted local ads to consistently generate new leads and opportunities for your business. Ads put you control of your pipeline and the growth of your business. Mistake number two is completely ignoring video marketing. Not using video in 2025 is like ignoring the internet back in 2005. People do business with people, and nothing builds trust like video does. So the solution is to look at others in your space that are doing great things with video. Get inspiration and just press record. Start showing up and improve as you go. Mistake number three is not tracking anything. Most agents that I talk to have no idea what's working and what's not. So no tracking means you don't have any clarity, which means you can't scale. The simple fix is to use and create a simple KPI sheet to track your leads, your appointments, your closings, all those things, even your past clients, so you can keep everything organized and know where your deals are coming from and doubling down on what's working. What gets measured gets improved. The fourth mistake is looking for a magic bullet. One ad is not going to change your business. One post won't explode your brand. The solution is to build a marketing ecosystem with a few key channels that support each other and compound over time. As an example, think of a simple marketing system as ads, content, email, and retargeting, all working together to get you a business result. Last but definitely not least is no patience or perspective. Growth takes time. Growth takes time. Too many people quit after 2 weeks or 2 months because they haven't gone viral yet. It's important to understand the principle of seed time and harvest time. Marketing is like farming. You plant now, you water consistently, and then you will reap later. You have to stay the course. And listen, if you've made one of these or all of these mistakes, I've made them all too. The key is to stop chasing random tactics and start building a simple but consistent system that scales with you. With a simple ecosystem in place, marketing becomes way easier and way more profitable. P.S. If you're a local service business that wants to become the hometown hero in your market, dominate your city by having a full marketing ecosystem that is tailored to your business, and you want my help with that, there's a link below where you can fill out a few questions and I will personally reach out to you and see if maybe there's something we could do to help you. And if you want to be notified when more content like this comes out, then just hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date. See you guys on the next one. Peace.